Yo, what's up, everybody? Jason will keeping the real FOREX King back for a weekly Forex forecast for week of October 26th to the 30th. So this is the last week of October. So let's see what's happening this week. Looking at the forexfactory.com, see the news events. So Monday, nothing too crazy. It's like some media impact news with the new home sales, the New York session. Tuesday, USD pair core durable good orders. So like medium impact. But then we have crazy news for AUD during Asian session. Suspect some decent movement trading the AUD pair. And then Wednesday, got a lot of news for Canadian dollar through New York session. So expect to see some volatility if you trade the Canadian dollar pair. And the JPY pair throughout the day is going to be, you could say, highly impacted due to these monetary policy statement and BOJ outlook report. And then Thursday, a lot of news for the euro during New York session, also USD. And then Friday, good old Friday to end the last Friday of the month. News for the Canadian dollar, GDP, MM, and some like convenient impact news throughout the day. So now let's look at the charts. GBP, JPY. So looking at this is how it ended last week. So for a chart, so going to this week, it looks like the market's been consolidating. Let's say from this point here, we've been like pretty much in the zone. It's like a consolidation range. So for this week, I do see the market potentially coming back down and play around this area or shoot back up. So if it doesn't break down past the 135.731 area, business come down here, expect the market to continue back up. Or the market could finally test this area of support, ricochet back up. Since we're testing highs, so the market could easily come back up to test the high. And if it breaks the high, we expect more highs. But lately, due to what's happening with the whole coronavirus, as well as the BRICS exit, there's a lot of issues in the election time. That's why the market been consolidating all this funny stuff. So just be careful when you do trade this week. Just look for areas of support and resistance. If it rejects off area resistance, come back to support. If it breaks support, look for the next area, stuff like that. But this is definitely a key area, I would say. And this is a key area as well. For breaks above here, this area, you can expect a new high to this area. Let's look at GBUSD. So GBUSD, overall uptrend still. The market's going up and down a lot lately. So I see the market for continuation for uptrend. I do see it test the trend line and shoot back up and create higher highs. Or if it does break the trend line, we're going to test this area. If it comes back up, we'll see. But right now, focus on uptrend for GBUSD. Then AUD USD is for our chart. So right now, last week market was still up and downish. So right now we're still in an uptrend. So I do see the market coming back up to test this area, the 0.71712 area. And if it breaks, we test the next area. But the market comes back down, doesn't break. If it breaks the area of support and come back down, we'll test this area. Potentially come back up. Because right now, we're still an uptrend for this pair. So I will be focused on mostly uptrend moves. And then for gold, It's like supply and demand zones drawn out. So for gold, I do see it coming back up to test the area of the spy zone area and shoot back up to this area, the 1945 area, and it comes back down, ricochet back up. But there's a lot of stuff going on due to the elections, coronavirus that's affecting this pair, and the Dow. So the Dow, it's like the week before election. So the Dow, everyone's waiting for this whole stimulus check thing, where the stimulus going to get approved and all that. So right now, I do see the Dow coming back up. If we come back to this demand zone, I do see it come back up for the week. So that's my predictions on the Dow US 30. And then for people who trade cryptocurrencies, right now we are in a slight uptrend. Right now it's retracing. So I do see the market potentially come back down and shoot back up to test these areas. That's for XRP USD. So that's pretty much it. The market recap. Definitely trade what you see, what you think. And this week it's like the week before elections, so be mindful. There might be some interesting stuff happening in the market. Use good risk management and you should be okay. Go to invest.com to see what's going on with the stimulus stuff or coronavirus news events or the BRICS exit news events. And that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Right now, we out here. Peace.